Today, let us see the next tense, that is present perfect continuous. And the formula for writing sentences in present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have or has plus been plus V1 ing. This is present, this is perfect, and this is continuous tense. Let us write some sentences. Say, I have been working. We have been working. You have been working. You have been working. And he, she, it has been working. They have been working. This is sentence structure in present perfect continuous tense. I have been working, we have been working, you have been working, you have been working, he has been working, she has been working, it has been working, they have been working. Now you have to change the verb. You take another 25 verb and write it, take another 50 verb, say it loudly, say it as fast as you can. Okay. Now, how to make these sentences negative? We have to put not here at this place. So, I have not been working, we have not been working. Don't say I have been not working. It is I have not been working, we have not been working. You have not been working, you have not been working. He has not been working, she has not been working, it has not been working, they have not been working. Change the verb, say it many times. And now comes the question format. Change the placement of the helping verb has and have. So, I have been working becomes have I been working, have we been working, have you been working, have you been working, has he been working, has she been working, has it been working, have they been working. So, this is positive, negative and question patterns in present perfect continuous tense. Now, I will tell you the exact meaning of this sentence or the usage, where to use this present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now, I just take this one sentence, it is equally applicable to other sentences. I have been working in this college since 2010 and I have been working in this college for the last 10 years. This for and since in respect of time are used only in present perfect continuous tense. When we use a sentence in present perfect continuous tense, we have to mention the time factor. Like this, either you should say the starting point of the action or the period covered from the starting point of action to till now, and still the action is going on. That is the meaning here. Okay. I have been living in Belagavi for the last 10 years or since 2010, right? Now write this sentence again. I am working here in this college, right? I am working here in this college. This is present continuous tense. When you say a sentence in present continuous tense, it just tells the action is presently going on. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು 15 ದಿವಸ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು, ನೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ like this. I have been working in this college since 2010. I have been working in this college for the last 10 years. I have been living in Belagavi since 2010. I have been living in Belagavi for the last 10 years. If you don't want to mention this time, don't use this tense. Here it is open. I am working in this college. Now is also there in that. This is the relationship or the difference between the use of present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now I will tell you what is the difference between using a sentence in simple present and present continuous tense. Simple present. See, in simple present, if I say I teach English, I teach English, we teach English, you teach English, you teach English, he teaches English, she teaches English, it teaches English, and they teach English. It means that for the last some years I have been teaching English in this college. In past also I used to do this work. Now also I am doing this work, and in future also I will be doing this work, teaching English in this college. But at the time of speaking, you need not be teaching there. You can sit in your house and say, I teach in this college. You can be on tour somewhere else in Bengaluru. There also you can say, I teach English in such and such college. But if you say, I am teaching, you must be in the college, inside the classroom, and teaching English there. At that time only you have to say this work. Okay. Now I will just show you one line diagram, the picture of these 4 present tenses. Have you ever seen the picture of a tense? Okay, look here. This is timeline. Time goes like this. Okay. We are here now. We are at this present moment, right? If we say a sentence in simple present, that shows the action used to take place even in the past. This is present moment, and here it is all past time. Here it is yesterday, day before yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 10 years back, like that. And this is tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, next month, things like that. We are at this moment. Okay. And if we say a sentence, I teach English in this college, it means that I used to teach in this college for the last 10 years. Now also I work here, and in future also for some more years I will be working as a teacher here. This gives us the line of simple present tense, right? Present continuous just tells now the action is going on, present continuous. It does not say anything about when the action started and when the action will end, nothing. Just today it is going on here. This is present continuous tense. Present perfect tense tells us an action started in the past and it came here. By the present time it must have ended. This is called present perfect. Okay. Present perfect continuous tense is an action that was started in the past, it is still going on. This is the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, we say the time of the action started, starting point, let us take. Starting point, and till the action is going on. And here just it says at this moment the action is going on. That is the meaning, and this is how we use simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Graphical presentation of these four tenses. Now let us practice all these four tenses at a time. We have practiced it individually. Now I will show you how to practice. For example, I write a sentence, I go, we go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, they go. Next, I am going, we are going, you are going, you are going, he is going, she is going, it is going, they are going. I go, I am going. I have gone, we have gone, you have gone, he has gone, she has gone, it has gone, they have gone. I have been going, we have been going, you have been going, you have been going, he has been going, she has been going, it has been going, they have been going, right? Now you have to write, we write, complete it. You sing, they take. Similarly, he teaches, she sings, right? Like that. You practice all the four. Say the remaining three sentences in each of this group. I will tell you one by one. She sings. Okay. Now we write, we are writing, we have written, we have been writing. You sing, you are singing, you have sung, you have been singing. They take, they are taking, they have taken, they have been taking. He teaches, he is teaching, he has taught, he has been teaching. She sings, she is singing, she has sung, she has been singing. Okay. Now I will give you a few more sentences that you have to complete them. Now look at these sentences. Here there are 20 sentences. The first 5 are in simple present tense negative. The next 5 are also negatives, but they are in different tenses. Then 11 to 15 sentences are yes or no type questions because they have started with a helping verb. And the last 5 are WH questions. Now, these 20 sentences, out of these 20 sentences, you have to make 80 sentences one by one. I just tell you. Even if you want to try, just take a screenshot, then write them in remaining 4 tenses and check your answers with what I said. Now, I do not eat simple present tense. I am not eating, I have not eaten, I have not been eating. We do not play simple present tense. We are not playing, we have not played, we have not been playing. You do not go, you are not going, you have not gone, you have not been going. They do not ask, they are not asking, they have not asked, they have not been asking. She does not teach, she is not teaching, she has not taught, she has not been teaching. Now, sixth one is in present continuous tense. You are not reading. First start with simple present tense. Look here. You do not read, you are not reading, you have not read, you have not been reading. Seventh one is in present perfect tense. Have not taken. Start with simple present tense. You do not take, you are not taking, you have not taken, you have not been taking. Eighth one is in present perfect continuous tense negative. So they have not been working. We have to start with simple present tense. They do not work, they are not working, they have not worked, they have not been working. Ninth one is he is not writing English. This is present continuous tense, third person singular. Start with simple present tense. He does not write English. He is not writing English. He has not written English. He has not been writing English. 10th one, she has not written the answer. Present perfect tense. In simple present tense, she does not write on the answer, she is not writing the answer, she has not written the answer, and she has not been writing the answer. Now coming to questions, write 4 questions from each one of them. Do you play chess? Simple present tense. Do you play chess? Are you playing chess? Have you played chess? Have you been playing chess? Are you going to school? Present continuous tense. Start with simple present tense. Do you go to school? Are you going to school? Have you gone to school? Have you been going to school? Have they sold the car? Present perfect tense. Start with simple present tense. Do they sell the car? Are they selling the car? Have they sold the car? Have they been selling the car? 14th one, has he asked questions? Present perfect tense. Start with simple present. Does he ask questions? Is he asking questions? Has he asked questions? Has he been asking questions? Has she sung songs? Present perfect. Does she sing songs? Is she singing songs? Has she sung songs? Has she been singing songs? Okay. Coming to WH questions. In WH question, what happens? This interrogative pronoun, that WH word remains as it is and where it is. Only the remaining things change. And remaining things are nothing but once again the yes or no type questions, starting with helping verbs. Look here. Where do you go? Where are you going? Where have you gone? Where have you been going? What are you taking here? Present continuous. Coming to simple present. What do you take here? What are you taking here? What have you taken here? What have you been taking here? Why have they gone? Present perfect. Start with simple present. Why do they go? Why are they going? Why have they gone? Why have they been going? Then what is he writing? Present continuous. What does he write? Simple present. What is he writing? Present continuous. What has he written? Present perfect. What has he been writing? Present perfect continuous tense. What has she bought? Present perfect. What does she buy? Simple present. What is she buying? Present continuous. What has she bought? Present perfect. What has she been buying? Present perfect continuous tense. Like this, you must practice all these things and taking sentences, different other sentences, and practicing them in writing in the remaining all the 4 present tenses. Right.